Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today it's kind of a late night video real quick for you guys. I wanted to let you guys know, if you're not part of the Glowforge at Home Facebook group yet, I would recommend joining today. Tomorrow is going to be the largest designer sale that we've done in that group. This is actually a new concept that we're trying. It's basically, so far we got a list of 8 designers that are going to be doing 35% off their entire shop or more. If you're a designer and you want to jump in on this, it starts tomorrow. If you get a 1 day late, that's okay. It's going all weekend long, and you can set how long you want your sale to go. So if you want the sale to go a week, we can leave that post up for a week. That's fine with me. This is just to help newer people who are looking to buy designs find designs at a cheaper rate so they can test out or try newer designs off the bat. Help new customers come to your shop so everybody wins in the process. And the whole Glowforge at Home group in general has kind of been something that I've been putting together to try unique concepts. Like, we've got file testers, a whole dedicated post to that. We've got sales leads for physical sales. So if you don't sell digital items, we've got people who could potentially give you sales leads for physical items. So if you're not part of the Glowforge at Home Facebook group, I would really recommend you guys check that out. I really appreciate everybody who's subscribed to me here on YouTube and has the notification on to meet this this sale that's going on, which tomorrow is January 29th, 2022. So if you missed the sale this time, I hope this is something that we can implement in the future. This is just the first test and go around. So I definitely would recommend being part of that group. That is going to be the only group that the discount codes are going to be on. They're going to be pinned at the top of the page, just where like the file testers are, and the physical sales lead and the Glowforge tips are. So go ahead and check that out. If there's ever a big sale like this, it will be pinned as the very first pin in the group. And then it'll last as long as it lasts, and then we'll delete that, and then we'll move on to the next one if everybody likes this this kind of concept here. Other than that, throughout the group, you may see like designers after this who does like a special discount on like a newer type design or one of their bigger designs. So let's just say, for example, if there's a really big design that they have that's usually like $12, and then they do like a real big discount at random, it could be like a 50% off or even a 60% off deal. That might just be a random thing that happens where designers can split off and do their own thing if there's not an actual big event like this going on. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys join into the Glowforge at Home Facebook group. It's been quite a ride so far. It's been really cool to see all the different concepts and trying different things. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really appreciate everybody for subscribing, following us on Facebook, being part of the group, interacting with the group. And other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next video.